Who is the Ignite Your Radiant Achievement workshop designed for? It is designed for that ambitious, overwhelmed, hardworking woman or man that is achieving things, but they're not feeling fulfilled. They're not feeling a lot of joy, or they know they can feel more joy and fulfillment. And they're looking for a little more ease in life than this hustle, status quo, go, go, go. Another group of people this is for is that person that's gone through a major life transition. It could be a divorce, a health crisis, a career change. And they're looking for this new, fresh start to life, but they want to do it a bit differently than they've been doing it before. The theme with all of these is that status quo, hustle, go, 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 push, 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 no longer feels right. And they're looking for something different, something that's going to bring more ease and peace and joy, as well as the accomplishments and achievements. If that describes you in any way, I encourage you to click the link where you're watching this video to get all the workshop details and then sign up.